man hush, me say youth man talk. From Trenchtown Lane to the end of the block. Iron pot bubble but the book dey on the crate. Piercing roof still, we reason bout fear. Whole Rasta on the corner, roll a little rap. Quote chapter and verse while him selling him scrap. Mind clean, heart clean, that time attack from the gutter to the glory. No spirit can't stop, green covenant. Seal it in a heart, in a covenant. From the little gully bank to parliament, we a grow like grass, resilient, green covenant. Roots them strong, them benevolent. Tell Babylon system we relevant. From Trenchtown soil we permanent. Hey. Bob voice still echo on the old zinc fence. Get up, stand up, go through the incense. You tap kick buckle like ball. Barefoot, but in mind they a Zion do him foot they a the suit. Teach yourself me brother, granny talking code. The real revolution live right in your soul. Love is the doctrine, justice is the creed. If the table no level, we a build new seat. Permanent green covenant, seal it in a heart, in a covenant. From the little gully bank to parliament, we a grow like grass, resilient, green covenant. Roots them strong, them benevolent. Tell Babylon system we relevant. From Trenchtown soil we permanent. Hey. From the one pants days to the big stage lights. Still remember when candle have to fight with night. Still remember when smile was the only wealth. Still share the bread, though it's small like bell. So when the rhythm drop, at the heartbeat talk, every drum lick is a freedom walk. From Orange Lane, back straight to Hope Road. Trenchtown story still a shake the globe. Green covenant, seal it in a heart, in a covenant. From the little gully bank to parliament, we a grow like grass, resilient, green covenant. Roots them strong, them benevolent. Tell Babylon system we relevant. From Trenchtown soil we permanent.
Them say youth man hush, me say youth man talk. From Trenchtown Lane to the end of the block. Iron pot bubble but the book they on the crate. Piercing roof still we reason both fate. Whole Rasta on the corner, roll a little rap. Quote chapter and verse while him selling him scrap. Mind clean, heart clean, that time attack. From the gutter to the glory, no spirit can't stop. Green covenant, seal it in a heart, in a covenant. From the little gully bank to parliament, we a grow like grass, resilient, green covenant. Roots them strong, them benevolent. Tell Babylon system we relevant. From Trenchtown soil we permanent. Bob voice still echo on the old zinc fence. Get up, stand up, cut through the incense. Youth a kick back like ball. Barefoot, but in mind they a Zion, though him foot they a the suit. Teach yourself, me brother, granny talking code. The real revolution live right in your soul. Love is the doctrine, justice is the creed. If the table no level, we a build new seat. Green covenant, seal it in a heart, in a covenant. From the little gully bank to parliament, we a grow like grass, resilient, green covenant. Roots them strong, them benevolent. Tell Babylon system we relevant. From Trenchtown soil we permanent. From the one pants days to the big stage lights. Still remember when candle have to fight with night. Still remember when smile was the only wealth. Still share the bread, though it's small like belt. So when the rhythm drop, at the heartbeat talk, every drum lick is a freedom walk. From Orange Lane back straight to Hope Road. Trenchtown story still a shake the globe. Green cover
barefoot, but we mind well crowned, trench town book. I the ghetto philosophy, page right up in pain, yet I still prophecy. Man a reason pon the corner, star one spliff, 3 dream, 5 vice, 1 guitar. Him say, check your heart, that a real government. No badge, no tie, just a green covenant. Green covenant, roots in the mud. Still we rise from concrete crack. Jah blossom in a blood. Open your eyes, open your eyes. Green covenant from yard to the world. Beat on your chest, truth unfurl. From trench down street to the mountain top chant. Where the little man talk, but the whole earth start overstand. Youth him say, life not just cuss and fight. Darkest alley still carry Jah light. Hungry belly song turn freedom hymn. Soup and drum yet the message trim. Him say, love of the weapon, hear me pan 8. If you wait for Babylon, you live pan gate. So me carve them word in a me bone like flint. Every sweat drop holy like sacrament. Me here get up, stand up in a every siren. Hear redemption in a baby crying. Trench town sky still catch that flame. Every breeze I call out him name. Say forward, forward, you can't walk back. Even when your soul feel broke like zinc shock. Plant your feet man, beat like yam. Watch it push up through the storm as sun. Green covenant, roots in the mud. Still we rise from concrete crack. Jah blossom in a blood. Open your eyes, open your eyes. Green covenant from yard to the world. Beat on your chest, truth unfurl. From trench town street to the mountain top chant. Where the little man talk, but the whole earth start. Roots in the mud, still we rise from concrete crack. Jah blossom in a blood. Open your eyes, open your eyes. Green covenant from yard to the world. Beat on your chest, truth unfurl. From trench down street to the mountain top chant. Where the little man talk, but the whole earth start. Trench town book at the ghetto philosophy. Page right up in pain, yet a still prophecy. Man a reason pon the corner star. 1 spliff, 3 dream, 5 vice, 1 guitar. Him say check your heart, that a real government. No badge, no tie, just a green covenant. Green covenant, roots in the mud. Still we rise from concrete crack. Jah blossom in a blood. Open your eyes, open your eyes. Green covenant from yard to the world. Beat on your chest, truth unfurl. From trench down street to the mountain top chant. Where the little man talk, but the whole earth start. Oh, oh, oh. Life not just cuss and fight. Darkest alley still carry Jah light. Hungry belly song turn freedom in. So up and drum yet the message trim. Him say love of the weapon, aim it pan 8. If you wait pan Milan, you live pan gate. So me carve them word in a me bone like flint. Every sweat drop holy like sacrament. Here get up, stand up in a every siren. Hear redemption in a baby crying. Watch it push up through the storm aside. Hey, green covenant, roots in the mud. Still we rise from concrete crack. Jah blossom in the blood. Open your eyes, open your eyes. Green covenant from me heart to the world. Beat on your chest, truth unfurled. From Trenchtown Street to the mountain top, chant what the little man talk, but the whole earth start. Green covenant, roots in the mud. Still we rise from concrete crack. Jah blossom in the blood. Open your eyes, open your eyes. Green covenant from me heart to the world. Beat on your chest, truth unfurled. From Trenchtown Street to the mountain top, chant what the little man talk, but the whole earth stop. From Trenchtown soil, yeah. Grass grew up on we pay. Green covenant, signing a sunshine, yeah. Signing a rain, yeah. Concrete ghetto, but the heart still green. One lip struggle, but the heart still clean. One little guitar man a share one dream. Three little birds sing but worthless scheme. Them say, rude boy pick pon the easy way, but the elder them a reason pon the breezy day. Mind how you live, youth, mind how you pray. Cause the system love we broke you, take your soul away. Green covenant, we sign with Jah today. From Trenchtown Lane straight to Judgment Bay. Raise your mind higher. No bow, no swear roots pon the ground, but with thoughts fly away. Green covenant, chant it when you low. From zinc fence life to the big stage glow. Overstand yourself, make the spirit grow. Green covenant, watch the blessing flow. See the elder woman with the basket on her head, still a home psalm while she count little bread. Hunger in her belly, but the wisdom well fed. Choose love, youth, and so she said no choose dread. Babylon a bluff with them big tall talk, but a bare little man make the big world walk. No sell your soul for the fast car spark. If your heart still dark, you're not really started. Them things say we small, but we spirit so tall. From the one room boardhouse to the world dance hall. If you ever feel lost, hear the corner man call. Stand firm, stand firm. No crawl, no crawl. Sign with Jah today. From Trenchtown Lane straight to Judgment Bay. Raise your mind higher. No bow, no swear roots on the ground, but with thoughts fly away. Green covenant, chant it when you're low. From zinc fence life to the big stage glow. Overstand yourself, make the spirit grow. Green covenant, watch the blessings flow. From first little spliff to the last deep prayer. You ask yourself what me really value there. Is a lion in a cage or a lion in a ear? Is fear in your chest or a clean mind clear? Member, a be little people build big revolution. One little truth mash up one big illusion. We now wait pan king, now wait pan crown. We start with we yard, with we block, with we toe. Green covenant, write it on the wall. Overstand love, that how we final call. From Trenchtown song to the whole wide earth. Plant one seed, watch 10 life birth. Hey. Green covenant, hey. Green covenant.
From Trenchtown soil, yeah. Grass grow up and we pain. ghetto but the yard still green. Whole heap struggle but the yard still clean. One little guitar man a share one dream. Three little birds sing but what list scheme. Them say, rude boy pick pan the easy way, but the elder them a reason pan the breezy day. Mind how you live youth, mind how you pray, cause the system love fi broke you, take your soul away. Green Covenant, we signed with Jah today. From trench town lane straight out that judgment bay. Raise your mind higher, no boat, no sway. Roots pan the ground but we thoughts fly away. Green Covenant, chant it when you're low. From sing fence life to the big stage glow. Overstand yourself, make the spirit grow. Green Covenant, watch the blessing flow. See the elder woman with the basket on her head, still a psalm while she count little bread. Hunger in her belly but the wisdom well fed. Choose love youth, I saw she said no choose dread. Babylon a bluff with them big tall talk, but a be a little man make the big world walk. No sell your soul for the fast car spark. If your heart still dark, you no really start. Them things say we small but we spirit so tall. From the one room boardhouse to the world dance hall. If you ever feel lost, see the corner man call. Stand firm, no crawl, no crawl. Green Covenant, we sign with Jah today. From trench town in straight out that judgment bay. Raise your mind higher, no bow, no sway. Roots on the ground but we thoughts fly away. Green Covenant, chant it when you low. From zinc fence life to the big stage glow. Overstand yourself, make the spirit grow. Green Covenant, watch the blessing flow. From first little spliff to the last deep prayer youth. Ask yourself what me really value there. Is a lion in a cage or a lion in a ear? Is fear in your chest or a clean mind clear? Remember, I be a little people build big revolution. One little truth mash up one big illusion. We now wait pan king, now wait pan throne. We start with we yard, with we black, with we tone. Green Covenant, write it pan the wall. Overstand love, that how we final call. From trench town song to the whole wide earth. Plant one seed, watch 10 life birth. Green Covenant, write it pan the wall. Overstand love, that how we final call. From trench town song to the whole wide earth. Plant one seed, watch 10 life birth. Whoa, hey, Green Covenant. Whoa,
Trench town breeze, carry the sound. Yeah, old zinc fence, still got the crown. Yeah, oh, from the lane where the little youth jump and bucket to the yard where the elder still a bun him spliff and a reason. Them say son mind clean, heart firm like rock. Now sell out your soul for a little season. Book in a hand, but the street is a teacher. Psalms in a mind, but the struggle is preacher. From the gutter to the globe, man a chant, man a trot. Big up the dread from the ghetto where you reason with God. Green Covenant, we sign it with love. Plant up the truth, let it grow, rise above. From trench town soil to the whole wide earth. We now break the pack from the day of birth. Green Covenant, we live it, we swear. Heart clean, mind strong, youths beware. If Babylon call, just ease and sway. Remember who you are, don't drift away. And so we sit down on the corner, talk about life. One pot of stews, everybody takes slice. Them say, no watch the bling, watch how you think. Real riches is peace when you eye them wing. Every little root still a crack concrete. Every jump beat a message, every word on repeat. Stand up for justice, stand up for right. Even when your pocket inna the night. Green covenant, we sign it with love. Plant up the truth, let it grow, rise above. From trench town soil to the whole wide earth, we now break the pact from the day of birth. Green covenant, we live it, we swear. Heart, clean mind, strong roots, beware. If Babylon call, justice and sway. Remember who you are, don't drift away. Overcome are the word where the elder them speak. Stay humble, stay bold, stay meek, yet unique. From the sing roof rattle to the thunderclap, we are carry on the fire where them can't cap. So when pressure get heavy and your chest feel tight, remember the yard where the vibes did bright. And rev one plan, make the covenant stand. Every ghetto youth, hold firm, overstand. Green covenant, we sign it with love. Plant up the truth, let it grow, rise above. From trench down soil to the whole wide earth, we now break the pact from the day of birth. Green covenant, we live it, we swear. Heart, clean mind, strong youths, beware. If Babylon call, justice and sway. Remember who you are, don't drift away.
Don't breeze, carry this song, yeah. Old zinc fence, still got the crown, yeah. From the lane where the little you jump and bucket to the yard where the elder still a burning split for no reason. Them say son mind clean, heart firm like rock. Now sell out your soul for a little season. Book in a hand but the street is a teacher. Psalms in a mind but the struggle is preacher. From the gutter to the globe, man a chant, man a trot. Pick up the jet from the ghetto where you reason with God. Green covenant, we sign it with love. Plant up the truth, let it grow, rise up. From trench down soil to the wall wide earth, we now break the pact from the day of birth. We sign it with love. Plant up the truth, let it grow, rise up. From trench down soil to the wall wide earth, we now break the pact from the day of birth. So we sit down on the corner, talk about life. One pot of stew, everybody takes slice. Them say, now watch you bling, watch how you think. Real riches is peace when you eye them wink. Every little root still a crack concrete. Every drum beat a message, every word can repeat. Stand up for justice, stand up for right. Even when your pocket dry like drought in the night. Green covenant, we sign it with love. Plant up the truth, let it grow, rise above. From trench down soil to the whole wide earth, we now break the pact from the day of birth. We sign it with love. Plant up the truth, let it grow, rise above. From trench down soil to the whole wide earth, we now break the pact from the day of birth. Overcome are the word where the elder them speak. Stay humble, stay bold, stay meek yet unique. From the zinc roof rattle to the thunderclap, we are carry on the fire where them can't outcap. So when pressure get heavy and your chest feel